You need to know how you get the total resistance in series and in parallel. Here's a circuit with two resistors, both of them are 10 ohms. These electrons have to pass through this one and through that one. So the total resistance of that journey is going to be just adding together these two, 20 ohms altogether. We can show that with this little formula. To get the total resistance, you just add together all the individual resistances of those components. Okay, here's where it might get a bit confusing. In a parallel circuit, what happens to resistance? The best way to explain this is thinking of a car journey through roads trying to get from one place to another. Your electrons are the cars. Here is their current journey. They have to go from this side to this side through that resistor. If I add another resistor, another pathway for us to go from this side to this side, what would that do to the overall difficulty of us from getting from one place to another now, getting around the circuit? Well, think of it just like traffic. If there's another option, another route for you to take, overall, the difficulty is a little bit less now. You have reduced the overall resistance of the circuit by adding this extra path in parallel. And the total difficulty is a bit less than whatever that single individual branch would be just by itself, since you've added an extra path now. So in word form, we say the total resistance is less than the resistance of the smallest resistor, because overall it's like having the smallest resistor and an extra path that makes it a bit easier. So in this case, it would be less than 100 ohms. In this case, it would be less than 10 ohms. In this case, it would be less than 5 ohms. Do you get the picture? And that's that, guys. I hope that helped. Give this a quick screenshot so you can have a look at it before your exam. And if there's anything else that I can help you with, let me know in the comments right here. Best of luck.